Hey friends, this is Elance again with another episode of Do It Yourself. So today we are going to be replacing the charger circuit on this Google device. So I realized that I performed some of the initial step already. I did all the troubleshooting, and I realized that the charger circuit was not it's not working. So this is it. I open everything and here is the charger socket and it's not working. Discharge, something happened and it's not working anymore. So this is the Google JBL. So I got this out and I'm going to be replacing this piece. This is the part that I received for the replacement. This is the replacement part. This part. So I got it for 25 plus I think it was like $12 shipping fee. So this is it, and I'm happy. It took about 2 weeks to receive it, and yeah, let's get this installed. Alright, I finally got it seated in that socket. Looks good. So now it's time to connect all the pieces and test it out first before closing everything. As you can see, immediately as I plug in the charger, it start charging, which was I didn't have this before. It was completely not working. So I'm glad to see this, and I'm glad to see the power light on. So it means it's a successful replacement, and I'm hoping for right. You hear the sound, so the volume is coming up and looking good. Hey Google, what time is it?
7:16 a.m. And by the way, to hear about your upcoming events, just say, "What's on my calendar?"
Alright guys, see it's working. Yes, very happy. I can use Google device again. It cost me about 40 to replace this piece, and the cost of this whole device would have been around 200. So it's very worth it to just replace this piece instead of replacing the whole device. And yeah, so I'm going to assemble it back, and thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I got it in. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 7:39 a.m.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in the White Oak, there will be scattered showers, with a forecasted high of 80 and a low of 52. Currently, it's 59 degrees and sunny.
Alright, thank you Google. Hey friends, as you can see, my Google device is working perfectly. Hey Google, lower the volume please. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more video. And if you have anything that you want me to look into, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll be happy to look into it. Thank you. God bless. See you next time. Voilà. C'est ça.